Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's home. This morning I'm getting an early head start by making a big meatloaf for supper today. Today is my husband's broadcast day. If you all are new to my channel, my husband is a gospel singer and he is doing a special Christmas broadcast this evening. And so I'm having to get the music all ready for him and kind of do a little bit of prepping for him for this evening. So I wanted to get this meatloaf in and get it baking so that I could tend to other things. I went ahead and cubed some red potatoes. This is the rest that my father-in-law gave me. And I put a little bit of olive oil in this pan. I'm going to make some sauteed spinach to go with our supper as well. So I got a special delivery today from Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind. Our pottery came in, so it was completely glazed and fired and put through the kiln, and I think that it came out really beautiful. And I'm just sharing with you guys what it looked like, and I thought, how gorgeous is that? The pattern in that is just so spectacular. Now what I'm showing you here, the darker brown, it is actually oven safe. You can put it into your oven and bake with it, but you have to preheat it along with your oven or it will crack. But I think they came out really gorgeous and I'm very proud of them. Now it's time to start mashing my red potatoes, and I'm using heavy whipping cream and some butter, and I'm just using the hand masher, and you're going to get to see my dinner here. It was absolutely delicious, and the rest of the day we worked on broadcast stuff. I had to locate music that I had no idea where it was at, but I did find it. And I'm just going to show you here at the end the setup that we have and what Ronnie looks like for the broadcast. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much.